Look at all that wonderful water. Yeah, the whole roof goes to this one gutter on this side. So that's a good deal of water that comes off there. That was it. Not the socket. Okay. Yeah, we're losing rainwater that could be put in the pool. We struggled all summer keeping the pool level up, but I have this hose running here, and I rigged up this rain barrel, and look, it's overflowing now. It catches the entire roof, goes into this one side here. Got my pipe busted. Oh man, we're gonna get. I just had it duct taped anyway. Now I'm gonna put a proper setup on it here. I think I need to get this tape off. Damn it, I meant to grab a razor knife. All I know is, man, I'm wasting all this water just running away. What did I even do here? I know I meant to do this the other day, and it might rain, and sure enough, now we're losing all this, so much water we could have done in the pool. Oh great, my socket just fell. I think this one's too big. God, this thing is shit. This adapter thing. Falls off every damn time. Alright. Please hold. Now I gotta reach down in there and get this thing activated again. Oh no, I just need to plug it in. That's right, I had to unplug it. Alright baby, come on. So far so good. As long as we ain't popped out up here at the pool. Oh yeah, look at all that water. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we definitely got to level up some now. It's so low we can't even run the filter. And nobody hardly swam this year, so just look at all that wonderful water. Yeah, the whole roof goes to this one gutter on this side. So that's a good deal of water that comes off there. And this is just a rig up, temporary rig up here. There's a lot of DIY projects going on in the house right now, deferred maintenance, repairs and maintenance and such, you know. Keep it pumping until it's dry. Yeah, it's just a sump pump. This lifts up and triggers it when it gets full enough. So it's automatic, pretty much. I was sitting in a trash can here. It had sprung a leak. I fixed the leak. And then the dang pipe, of course, had popped off, separated there. And that's just like a vacuum, pool vacuum hose there. And a little spider, get him out of there. Let me see, yeah, I'll run the pool pump now.